Okay, quick fire, guys. It's a bit windy, guys, but it's just a little bit. Okay. It's a quick one. I may have to put it out, guys. I don't think so because it's just a little bit. But if I see a lot flying, okay, that's good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Join us at Carlos. This is the wind, guys. The wind is helping the fire. Let's go, Carlos! It's burning perfect, guys. Just don't want the wind to increase too much. Awesome. Beautiful. Awesome. Beautiful, burning really good. The wind is helping. Hopefully it will burn until the ground. That's what I want. Beautiful, guys. It's not too much stuff I'm burning, but it's just enough wood and stuff to burn really nice. Look at that. Oh, don't fly. Oh my God, don't do that. Don't go to the neighbor. Carlos is rocking tonight with Sammy. Let's go. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so it's calming down beautifully. Look at the wind, look. Oh, look at that. No, don't do that. Stupid. Oh my God. Burn quickly, come on. Okay, it's good if the ashes stay here, but not if they go to the neighbors, okay? Oh my God, I saw a lot going. Damn. Really strong, the wind, guys. Okay, it's burning wonderful. No, don't go wind over there. Stay protected. We don't want ashes to fly. Okay, let's put the music. Okay, it's going good. Yeah, it does want to spread. Can you see the fire? Look, it does love to try to spread. Look. Okay, it's not gonna be a long one, guys. It's pretty much done. Just don't fly too high, please. Awesome, guys. Okay, these are the fires I like in a little bit of wind, okay? today it's a little bit too much wind already. But because it was not a lot of garbage I had to burn, it's working good because it's pretty much done. Beautiful. You see, it wants to survive, guys, because of the wind. So it's really gonna burn till the ground, I'm sure. So we'll have to be vigilious tonight. I may have to go and put it out later on, just to make sure it doesn't spread. Beautiful. Wonderful. Now it's still gonna burn because the wind is still hitting it. It's a north wind, guys. It's coming from the right. On the right is north. The wind direction. It's burning really good, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, look at that. Still burning, guys. The wind is unforgiving. While there's still something to burn, it's gonna keep burning, guys. Look. And we put everything in the middle, so there's nothing to burn around it. Only on top. Beautiful, look at that. Real strong. And that, guys, that's just the north winds, okay? Very unforgiving. Still burning, look at that. Wow. I would like it to start coming on this direction, but I told you guys, the north winds, they are freaking, they don't stop. Look at that. There's no smoke in the air because the wind is taking the smoke. Look at that. Freaking awesome, guys. It doesn't give up. "16 minutes. I think this one may last, I don't know, 20. Fiz a fogueira, anjo. Há uma ventania lá fora. Yep. While there's gonna be wind, it's not gonna stop, guys, I'm sure. It will try to spread around it where there's little woods. Damn, my hand's already aching, guys. Still going, guys. Still burning. Let's go. Yep, the wind is keeping it. Look. There's not much more herb to burn, I think. So it's gonna burn to the ground, guys, I think. This wind is helping that. Awesome. The moon is very strong. Look at the moon up here, guys. Look. Ta-da! There's the moon, guys. Pretty big. It's not really nice. It's not easy. Let me try and go out. Okay, there it is. Can you see the fire is down there? The fire is there. And the moon is up there. And the fire still rolling. Look, guys. Okay, so we're gonna stop very soon. I'll still be controlling the fire, but it's pretty much done, guys. Beautiful. Woo! Awesome. Let's thank Carlos for the music and the hangout. Please join Carlos and Sammy. Disco Club. Let's go, my people. Still rolling, guys. Look at that. It's almost done, guys. The wind is still trying to make it survive. But there's not much more to burn, guys. Awesome. Thank you very much, my people. Join us on the next one. John P loves ya. Oh yeah. I'll tell you how long it lasted, okay, guys? But I think it's gonna last till the morning. It's gonna decrease in size, and then maybe in the morning it'll just be a little smoky. It's actually good to warm up the chickens for a barbecue. Beautiful. There we go, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. John P loves you.